Hello everyone. We are back with another interesting project, IoT-based power line theft detection system. Electricity is an essential requirement for homes, industries, and commercial applications. As the demand for electrical power increases, efficient power distribution becomes very important. One major issue faced by electricity distribution companies is electricity theft, which leads to power loss, financial loss, and reduced efficiency of the electrical system. This project demonstrates an IoT-based power line theft detection system using ESP32 designed to detect unauthorized tapping of electricity from distribution lines. Electricity theft commonly occurs when people tap power illegally from overhead distribution lines between electric poles. Such illegal connections are difficult to identify manually because distribution lines cover large areas. This electricity theft results in energy loss, reduced system efficiency, voltage fluctuation, and financial loss to electricity board. Therefore, there is a need for an automated system that can detect electricity theft quickly and accurately. The objective of this project is to develop a smart system that can monitor current flowing through power line, detect difference between incoming and outgoing current, identify unauthorized tapping of electricity, calculate line loss percentage, send alert notification using IoT technology. The system helps in reducing energy loss and improving efficiency of power distribution network. The working principle of this system is based on current comparison method. Two ACS 712 current sensors are installed at 2 points of the same power line. One sensor measures incoming current named I1. Second sensor measures outgoing current named I2. Under normal condition, incoming current is approximately equal to outgoing current. If someone taps electricity illegally between the two poles, some current is diverted through the illegal connection. Due to this, incoming current becomes higher than outgoing current. The ESP32 continuously compares both values and calculates line loss percentage. If difference exceeds a preset limit, the system detects electricity theft. Now we will see the working of the project. Currently, the system shows incoming current and outgoing current on LCD display. Both values are almost equal, which means line condition is normal. Now we simulate electricity theft by connecting an additional load between the two poles. You can observe that incoming current increases while outgoing current remains lower. The system calculates the difference and displays line loss percentage. After few seconds, the system detects theft condition. LED indication turns on, buzzer alert activates, and LCD shows theft detected message .tech. Notification is sent to mobile application. After removing the illegal connection, the system can be reset using reset button. That is all about this project. This project demonstrates a simple and effective solution for detecting electricity theft using IoT technology.